We now go live to the TMX Broadcast Center to Darren Farwell, Senior Wealth Advisor with Farwell Wealth Management, Scotia McLeod. Hi, Darren.
Hello, Farah.
The market is down more than 100 points today in Toronto, the TSX. Has anything in particular triggered this move?
That's a good question. Well, Farah, the market's been rising steadily since August 2010, both in Canada and the United States. And the reason being is during that period, generally, any news was good news. However, as anyone who's done any climbing knows, inevitably on your way up to the top, there's a little path where you got to take a few steps down before you move up again. And that step down this week seems to be weaker corporate earnings in the United States. That's pulled back the U.S. market a bit, and there's even some spillover in Canada because we have corporate earnings coming out next week, and investors are starting to wonder whether we'll see some of those weaker results here. So in summary, the market's selling on short-term earnings.
Okay, so you're saying short-term investors are selling on weaker than expected earnings news. Could this be a start of a more significant decline, Darren?
Yeah, that's a great question, Farah. And, you know, of course, we never know what's going to happen in the market in the short term. However, we do know that governments in Canada, United States, in fact, around the world, have been committed to a strategy of stimulating the economy by spending, by keeping taxes low, in fact, by printing money. And as long as they stay committed to that strategy, that puts a very strong safety net under how far the market can fall.
Okay, we have about 10 seconds left. How is this affecting the dollar, Darren?
Well, the dollar hit multi-year highs versus the U.S. dollar just yesterday, so the trend is your friend for snowbirds in the United States looking to convert their Canadian dollars.
Nice, not bad at all. All right, thank you so much. Thanks for your insight, as always.
Thanks, Farah.
It's 3:53 and -9. This is Toronto's breaking news. CP24, surprising news on a popular cholesterol drug. When we return, what are